We got another one.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Shelby County, northeastern Johnson County, southeastern Marion County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenwood, or 13 miles west of Shelbyville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail.
Whoa.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Greenwood, Franklin, New Whiteland, Whiteland, Fairland, Marietta, and Bogstown. This includes the following highways. Interstate 65 between mile markers 90 and 103. Interstate 74 between mile markers 100 and 116. For your protection, move to an interior room on the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Johnson, Marion, and Shelby.